Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to on Samsung newest TVs, which is the ones that run in Tizen, how to perform a self-diagnostic. Now that diagnostic is a tool that allows you to test various parts of your device. So for example, let's say you think you're having an issue with the screen, you can test the screen to see if the screen is functional, or maybe it's a USB port or HDMI port, or it can be anything, speakers, everything on the TV, basically all the outputs, inputs, you're able to test using Tizen once you know where to find the option. Now this is great for troubleshooting or to make sure that your TV is functioning as it should. Or maybe you got a new TV and you just want to test the ports to make sure that everything is functional. You can use this in a store as well to make sure that your device is up to par and everything is working. Or even just in case that you think you're having issue with a particular part. So here is the remote. We're going to navigate. So self-diagnostic or the self-testing features, you go to all settings. So extreme left, then you go to all settings. Once you do, you're going to go down to support. There you are. And you're going to go over. Once you go over, go to device care. You're going to launch. Here we are in device care already here. And you're going to go down to self-diagnostic. So this is how you perform the self-diagnostic. You're going to go into self-diagnostic. Alright, so here we go. And this is all of the stuff on your TV for self-diagnostic. To perform tests to ensure the TV is working properly. You can select each menu test and function individually. So it's a suite of tests that allows you to test your TV. This is great for those who work on TVs regularly or those who want to troubleshoot. You can do a power test. You can do a SW version information, which is a software version information. So for example, the TV will check its software version and to make sure that everything is up to par. So you can check software version, you name it. And of course, as you can see here, it gives up the information for the TV. You can update. Of course, this is a great way to know what specifically your TV is. If it's not given on the box or on the TV itself. All right, so you see that works fine. And you can go back to the main menu. Notice it checks out. It did a software pull to tell you what's on the TV. Check all of the hardware so you know it's original thing. There's a picture test to make sure that your picture is okay. Your TV display. Sound test. For sound, there's HDMI troubleshooting. So if you're having problems connecting to a HDMI port, you can figure out what's going on. There's HDMI signal test to make sure that you're getting optimal signal. And of course, there's HDMI check again, and of course there's a connection test or connectivity test, which is smart hub there, connection test. There's Wi-Fi test, Bluetooth test, a broadcast test to make sure the signals work in your TV, and of course this one that resets the smart hub, and of course that's the last one there. So these are all of the self-diagnostic tools that you can have access to on your TV. In case you never saw them before or never knew they were here, you can check these out. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.